I'm the best at flips in the entire world. God dang it! How do I rotate faster? Nothing's working! What is going on, Hang Gang? It is Jesse here, back with another vlog and back with another tutorial actually. And today we're at Luke's house on the Stratos. Today's tutorial is on rotation and spinning faster, not like twisting, but spinning, like rotating faster. And I know a lot of people have this exact same problem where they can't like do front flips very fast and they want to do a double front flip, but they don't have the rotation. I'm here to help you guys out with that. This video is all about me teaching you guys just how to spin faster on the trampoline, so let's go. Ugh. Oh, well, I guess I could have just used the door, but... Okay, guys, welcome to Trampoline Tutorials with Jesse Gerth. I'm here to teach you guys some new tricks and help out your tricks if you already know them. But today is rotation and spinning faster on the trampoline, and for you to go from this to this. So I know a lot of people are watching this video because they have flips like this that are just super slow and they can't seem to land anything. And the main cause of that is just not putting any effort into your flip. You actually want to throw really hard and then actually bring your knees up to your chest and tug really hard. That'll get the rotation spinning really fast. By the way, I hope you guys do like that camera angle. Okay, so first rule of rotation, you always want to get your hands up there ready to throw. You don't want to jump and keep jumping like this because that cuts bounce a lot. You want to have your hands up when you go up, and once you come back down to the trampoline, you want to lower your hands too, so all of that weight that you have up in your hands goes down to the trampoline, giving you more bounce to go back up. It looks like this. And that'll help bounce a lot, and that'll actually, believe it or not, help rotation too. It is kind of confusing to keep doing that and then instantly bring your arms up for a front flip. So if you do, right before you front flip, you can just keep your arms up here, but it does cut bounce a lot. I suggest you guys just do, and then, like that. So if you guys are doing front flips and back flips with the higher bounce technique using your arms, for front flips you are going to end up here in the trampoline, and then instantly you want to throw your arms up and then back over. So yeah, for front flips you want to get your arms up really quick and throw with the higher bounce technique. It's really confusing once you do it for your first time, but you'll get the hang of it after a while. Back flips are really easy. You'll go with the flow and then throw backward. But instead of just flailing your arms around like, oh yeah, I'm bouncing pretty high, you actually want to have a rhythm. Up, down, up, down, up, down. And the reason you guys see my leg bending backward like that, kind of a habit I have, but it also helps me stay balanced in the air. So if you guys are kind of like this and in the air, find a way that fits you to keep yourself balanced in the air. Maybe it's using your hands, maybe it's bending your knees. I don't know, just you don't want to be flailing around the air like this and losing balance and control. Okay, that's the bouncing part of this tutorial. Now we're actually going to go on to rotation. So to get a faster rotation, you're going to have to put a lot of effort into using your hands and throwing forward or throwing backward. The next thing is once you throw, you're going to instantly want to bring your knees up to your chest. And I don't just mean mediocre like this. You want to give it your best effort. So pull your knees and then jerk them to the side like that. It's called a rodeo tuck. Some people call it a cowboy tuck. When you tuck like this with both legs like this, you have way more density in the air, and that just makes your rotation super slow. And when you tuck like this with the rodeo tuck, you spin super fast in the air for some reason, and it helps a lot. Back flips or front flips, tuck, jerk them to the side, you'll get super fast rotation. So we've gone over throwing, we've gone over tucking. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Less weight. Okay, so it's like, I don't know, 40 degrees out. I'm in my underwear. When you're warm and on the trampoline and you want to learn something new, take your pants off, take your shirt off. You're way more light in the air and you can spin super fast. I'm just covering my ball sack right now because YouTube will take this video down if they see it, so thanks YouTube. Alright, I'll do a double front and a double back real quick just to show you guys my rotation's super fast without my pants on. It's just a thing, it's not being like weird or anything. You get faster rotation if you have less weight on you. I could triple with that, holy crap. Oh, I haven't done a double back on this trampoline since summer. Oh, I did, okay. But yeah, you see my rotation gets super fast without my pants on, but it's just a thing, you guys. Don't think I'm weird or anything. You get super fast rotation without your pants on. Yeah, I'm in Tacoma and I see a street down there and people are looking at me like I'm weird, but I'm improving my skills on the trampoline. That's what they don't know. Yeah, I'm winning at life and you guys are walking your dogs. Oh God, there's a cop coming. Okay, I'm actually gonna do a couple more double fronts because that was super fun and I feel like I could do triple without my pants on. Whoa! My rotation's super fast now. Thank you, underwear. YouTube, don't demonetize me, okay? I'm just learning new flips on the trampoline. And I'm also encouraging my viewers to take off their pants too. Whoa! It's like I'm good at flips now that I don't have pants on. Oh, so that's how you spin faster. Bye! Good night! Damn, those people are weird. Oh my God. Okay guys, so we're back home now and it's kind of been like an all over day. We took a bunch of pictures at this one golf course. It's called Chambers Bay. And that's my new profile picture and channel art. It's from there and it was so sick. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Tomorrow's tutorial, I don't know what it's gonna be, but it's gonna be something different, something to help you guys out. Hopefully you enjoyed today's tutorial. Hopefully it helped you out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hang loose.